Englewood, which has tons and tons of vacant lots that are sitting empty right now. And in the back there you can see where we have taken one of those lots with the help of the city and organizations at CEED to create beautiful vegetable land instead of empty lot land. So this transformation of the neighborhood is what we're after. So we've gone from just gravel a few months ago to getting some wood chips in and getting our first hoop house up and running. So this hoop house is going to be a tomato hoop house. We had 12,000 pounds of produce come out of under half an acre last year. So with this new site that's almost 3/4 of an acre, we definitely think we can at least double, if not triple, our food production. So two of the things we want to be able to do with the additional produce are expand our wholesale to restaurants and people who would like to have local organic produce in their stores, but also increase the amount of vegetables that we're able to provide to the Englewood neighborhood in various ways, whether that's coming to our farm stand or us going to other sites in the neighborhood to provide those vegetables. So our goal for sure is to increase the percentage of our budget that is covered by our sales. So last year about 15% of our budget was covered in sales of our produce, and if we could become self-sustaining, that would be a great goal. Our training program would always need some outside help, but in terms of actually running the farm, we would love to be self-sustaining. Then 85% is covered by outside funding. So that's a mix of government funding, private foundations, and individual donors. We're here at the Wood Street Urban Farm in Englewood, where we operate a job training program and offer workshops on healthy eating and organic farming and gardening. So here in Englewood there is a poverty level of about 55%. The unemployment rate is over 20%, and the levels of obesity and diabetes and heart disease are way higher than most other places in the city. So this is an area that is in great need of having healthier vegetable options. It would be what you would call a food desert, a place where it's hard for people to access fresh vegetables in large grocery stores because there are very few large grocery stores in the area. So the Reach CEED program really helped us out at an important time when we were looking to expand our farm from our Wood Street farm over to a new property that we were acquiring, and Reach CEED was able to provide us with some funding that enabled us to get a new hoop house going over there, to get the first crop of vegetables in the ground at our new farm, so that we can expand the amount of space that we have and expand the amount of vegetables that we have here and expand the number of people who can come through our job training program. If we were able to have increased funding or even matching funding from what we have now over the next few years, it will be a really important time for us in terms of continuing to develop that new space and continuing to reach out to the community to access the highest number of households that we can in terms of people who are taking advantage of our vegetables here, or learning about eating healthy vegetables or learning about how to grow their own healthy vegetables. So it was really dependent on the amount of funding that we received. So we're really grateful to Reach and CEED for the programs that we've been able to get into place thanks to them. Without proper funding, we would have to limit the number of people who came into our job program even more, and we wouldn't be able to have the same amount of outreach efforts that we have now. We would have to diminish the number of programs that we were able to offer. We're really excited about our new farm and our new hoop house and all the vegetables that are going to grow over there, and hopefully you'll come out and taste some of those.